Here's a relief map of the Nicaraguan volcanic range. We're going through. There's Lago de Managua, the city of Managua. There's Volcano Masaya, the active one that we're visiting right now. And as we keep going down, we have Mombacho, and Granada is located just there. That little crypt, there's a little peninsula sticking out. That's Mombacho, we can see right outside the city of Granada. And that's Lago de Nicaragua, a very large lake. And as we keep going down, you see Ometempe, a very large island. That's Ometempe volcano, and then there's an extinct volcano next to that.